In this video, we will show you how to prepare brain-boosting drinks for different times of the day, including morning, afternoon, and evening. These drinks will help improve your focus, energy levels, and cognitive function, allowing you to perform at your best. Let's get started. For a productive and focused start to your day, we recommend preparing a morning brain-boosting drink. This drink should include ingredients that provide mental clarity and sustained energy. Consider incorporating ingredients like green tea, matcha, or a combination of berries for antioxidants and vitamins. Let's see how to prepare this rejuvenating drink. By the afternoon, your energy levels may start to dip, and your focus may decrease. To combat this, we suggest preparing an afternoon brain-boosting drink that will provide a natural energy boost while improving cognitive function. Ingredients like ginseng, turmeric, and ginger can help stimulate the brain and enhance mental performance. Let's learn how to make this refreshing drink. As the day comes to an end, it's essential to wind down and relax while still giving your brain a little boost. An evening brain-boosting drink can be the perfect solution. Consider using ingredients like chamomile tea, lavender, or magnesium-rich foods to promote calmness and improve sleep quality. Let's discover how to create this soothing and brain-nourishing drink. By incorporating these brain-boosting drinks into your daily routine, you can optimize your mental function throughout the day. Remember, the ingredients mentioned are just suggestions, and you can personalize the drinks to suit your taste and preferences. Cheers to a sharper and more focused mind.